morning. Good morning. Good morning. 7's in the chat if you can hear me. 5's in the chat if you can see me. 7's in the chat if you can hear me. 5's in the chat if you can see me. Let's go. So guys, I'm just letting you know what I'm doing right now. I'm taking a buy. Once we break this structure, and we close above, I will take a buy. So in the next 25 seconds, I will take a buy on this trade. All right, so we are in two buys right now. We're in a buy right here at this zone. So what we did is, this is literally just a kind of a 1 minute strategy where we literally just looked at where she was consolidating and we set up a trap outside of where she was consolidating. If she broke this trap, okay, and closed above, we were taking that next candle, and that's what we did. So we're on a small pullback right now. We do have two trades open. Two trades open, okay, but we did break this zone, okay? And again, we're going to continue to climb now. We're going to continue to climb. Let's go, baby. Let's move up. Okay, just a small pullback right now. Just a small pullback right now. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go. 7's in the chat if you can hear me. 5's in the chat if you can see me. Let's go. So we are in two trades. We are in two buys right now. Great area to get into right now. We're in great little pullback right now. We're in two trades. All right. Okay, so as you can see, we had a huge 5-minute candle. We broke this structure. We broke this structure right here. Okay, we broke this structure right here. And now we are going to climb to the top. So I have my TP set at 35050. 35050 is where my TP is set. Okay. If she only gives me 10 or 20, I'll take that and then I'll reset up and we'll get back in. Okay, so we're on a pullback right now. Check, check, check. Great, thank you so much, Maribel. Thank you so much. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So like I said before, we are in a buy. We broke this structure at 3,800. I'm sorry, 3,500. We broke 35,000. We broke that structure. We are now retesting it. So great area to get in. Okay, great area to get in for a buy. We are in a buy. And we're waiting for this thing to pull up. Our TP is at 35,050. 35,050. If we can get, it would be roughly about 30 points. That'd be amazing. Okay, I'd like to definitely look for 2 entries today. So again, if we can get this thing to pull up and then pull back down and then get back in, that'd be great. So again, we're just gonna be patient right now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go. Again, guys, I'm on vacation. I don't plan on being in these trades too long. So we're in and out. We're in and out. All right. So we are in a buy right now. We are in a buy. We are in profit right now. We are in profit. So my TP is at 35,050. Okay, so about 30 points away from our entry. So I'm in at 20 and 18. All right. All right, there we go. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Break and close above this middle point, 0.25. Break and close above 0.25. We then go on to 0.50. Let's go. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's look at this 1 minute and see exactly what this 1 minute's doing, if it's still continuing to climb. Okay, yes, sir. Let's go. Great, I love it. Let's go. So we got 4 minutes left on this candle. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. And honestly, we may not take this whole piece of pie here. We may just take a little bit here. So let's see. Let's see what this 1 minute does. Let's see what this 1 minute does. So let's see if we can get up into the 40s. Okay, we're currently in the 30s right now. Let's see if we can get 10 points. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna sit on this. I'm gonna take my full. I'm gonna take it to 50. I'm gonna take it to 50. Let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Let's go. I'm gonna get this bag. Let's go. 10 more points. Give me 10 more points. Let's go. Big climb. Big climb. Come on. Yes, sir. 40, 43. 43. Come on. So, guys, I am literally on my broker, ACAP. So I'm pretty excited about that on TradingView. So everything matches up. It's so dope. All right, let's go. 15-point pull up. Come on. I'm just going to be patient and wait for her to close this trade out, honestly. I'm already in. I'm going to be patient. We're going to continue to climb. Let's see where we can continue to go to, possibly. Ah, yeah, that's a great zone. It's a great zone. Okay, we could possibly push up to this 35,100. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's a good zone, though. Okay, that's a good zone. Oh, yeah. All right. So what broker are you on? A cap. Right here, A cap. All right, let's go. Come on. We're at 36. Once these trades are done, I got a breakfast run to complete. Let's go, US30. Get up there. All right, perfect. So we're at 36 right now. 35. 36. If we get up into the 40s, like maybe 45, I will look at closing, because that'll be pretty close to my TP. We're going to be careful with the zone, just due to the fact that she smacked it. She smacked it the last time she was here and she fell. All right. So here we are. We're at 40, 41. So I'm going to take profit. Let's see which one. Boom, done. Close one trade. Boom, close 2-0, 2-0, 2-0. Let's go. 2-0. Let's go. So again, we need to be careful with the zone, because if the zone, the last time we were here, obviously was Friday. We did not break though. We did not break and close above the zone. We did not break and close above the zone. Okay, we haven't broken close above the zone. Wow, let's go back to this. Wow, here. Wow, we haven't broken close above the zone. Jeez. We got to go out to this day chart. We haven't broken close above. We haven't been above the zone since August. Wow. And look what she did, guys. She fell, right? She's sitting there. She's sitting there. We may be able to get 50 more points. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see what we're at. Let's go out to this 5 minute again. All right. So as you can see, she fell. Okay. So we want to be careful of the zone. Okay, we want to be careful of the zone. Let's see. Let's go out to this 15. Let's see. Okay, look. The last time she was here, okay, the last time she was here, she climbed all the way up to this 30, 35, 100. And then look at that. She fell 150 points. Okay. So we do want to be careful. We want to tread lightly. We want to tread lightly. See what happens. Let's go out to this 1 minute. See what this 1 minute's doing. All right, so we just want to be careful on the zone here, guys. Want to be careful on the zone. You know what? I'm going to take a, let me see. Let me look at this 5 minute real quick. I'm going to try to catch a quick bag. Let me see something real quick. We go out to this hour. This is where we see the test, the retest here on this hour. So look at that. She's respecting it. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in this next minute. See if she respects it and falls. Okay. So that's about a 10-point bag right there. So if I can get her to slam back up to 35,050, I think that I will take a sell. Just because, again, of where she's at, guys. Like, I understand that we're above the 200, but understand the level that we're at. If you go out to the day chart, we haven't been above this level, trading above this level, since August 14th. Okay. The last time that we were here on Friday, she fell 150 points after she hit this zone. Okay. So again, you just have to understand, like, and look at the deeper analysis of really what's happening. And look at what we did is we just took a bag at 35,050 and she's fallen 25 points. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, on a higher time frame, she's going to close below that zone. So I'm going to take a sell. Boom. I'm in. I'm in for a sell. I'm not going to sit in too long. So once she gives me some profit, I'm going to get out. Boom. Quick little bag. Quick little bag. Literally. Let's see how many points that was. That was literally 3 points. 3 points just to kind of test the waters. Okay. If we get an engulfing on this, I will take the next candle. Okay. So we are 3-0 on the session. Look at that 5 minute. That's nice. All right, perfect, guys. So let's see what's going on here with this 5 minute. Okay. Let's see. So as you can see, look at this 1 minute, what it just did. All right. Let's go out here and see. Okay, this is what I'm watching, guys. Is I'm watching on this 15 minute, this engulfing. Okay. So let's see what this 5 minute does. So this engulfing will then break this zone. If we engulf, we break this zone. If we can break this zone here, let me get rid of this here. Okay. So we got 1:20 left on this 5 minute. If we come down here on this 5 minute, I'm going to definitely get in. Okay, so one more minute. If we break this halfway point here, I'm going to get in. Okay? So we got 55 seconds left. 55 seconds left. We break and close below this 35025. I'm getting it.
Ready? Here it is.
Okay, 19 seconds. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. Boom, I'm in. Little pullback. Little pullback right now. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Look, guys, she's coming against a floor here. So she breaks through this. If she breaks through this 35,000 zone, she will continue to fall. Okay. So she breaks this 35,000. I will open up another entry. So a little pullback right now. I may open up another entry if she comes up to this zone here. There we go. Let's go, US30. So we're about to get a bag. We are 3-0 right now. I like to get 2 more trades at least this one, so this will be 4-0. And at least a couple more. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Look at this 1 minute, guys. Okay, what is she going to do when she hits this 35,000? Is she going to retest it and bounce up, or is she going to continue to fall? Let's go. We got a big bag. Exactly what I said she was going to do, guys. Look at that shit. Woohoo! I ain't going to need no other trades, guys. We're going to ride this. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so we got 36 seconds left on this candle. If she closes a below, says 35,000, I will take another entry, okay? 22 seconds left. 19 seconds. She closes below, I will take an entry. 10 seconds. She's not going to close below on this one. But as soon as she closes below, I will take another entry. So it looks like she might consolidate from there. Let's go. So in this next 5 minutes, if she closes below that 35,000, I will take an entry, okay? How's everybody doing? What are some results from this morning? Give me some results. All right, we got 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's look at what this 1 minute's doing. Okay, so she fell, she corrected, okay? So again, as soon as this 1 minute breaks below this 35,000, I will get in for a trade, okay? So in the next minute, if she breaks below, I will open up for another trade. So we got 44 seconds left on this candle. All right, we got 19 seconds left on this candle. See if we close below. Doesn't look like we're going to. All right. So like I said, as soon as she closes below this 35,000, I will take another entry. 42 seconds left on this candle. And we got 2 minutes, 30 seconds left on this 1 minute. All right. I mean, on this 5 minute. Okay. So obviously just retesting right now. Retesting. I'm actually going to take another sell right here. I'm going to take another sell right here. All right. So I got 2 trades open. I got one that will close at 35,000. Okay, my first trade. So it's about 18 points. And then my next trade I opened up right up here. Okay, I'm going to let that one ride out and get a big bag. So we're in a little pullback right now. Little pullback. Let's look at this 5 minutes, see what's happening. Okay, cool. Okay, and like I said, guys, I'm going against the trend right now because of what I saw here. Okay, so let me show you what I saw here. Okay, so we have respected this thing. We have respected this zone since August 14th. We have not been above that zone since August 14th. And we respected it this morning. We just hit this, we got a bag, and she fell. Okay, we got a bag at 35,050, and she fell. She's fallen 25 points. Okay, so I'm in 2 trades around this area right here. I'm in 2 trades around this area, and I'm waiting for her to fall even more. Okay, so we got 30 minutes left on this hour candle. Let's go to this 5-minute. Okay, we got 8 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Okay, let's see if she breaks and closes below this 35,025. Okay, let's see what she does now. Let's see if she corrects and falls. Okay. We do have 2 trades open. Like I said, if she breaks and closes below this 35,000, great entry for a break of structure, okay? She could come up here to this 35,050 and retest, okay? And it looks like that's kind of what she's doing. Okay. I got 2 trades open right now. We are on a pullback. But you guys know how quick she fell. She fell all the way down here, very quick. Okay. Let's look at this minute. Okay. You can see kind of the game she's playing. You can see what she's done over the last minute. And we're obviously on a pullback right now. All right, let's go. Three, no. All right, Kevin. Yep. So let me explain why we're in a sell. Okay. The reason why we're in a sell is if you go out to the hour candle, you will see that she's respected this zone. Okay. The last time that she was up here, let's look at this. The last time that she was up here, I mean, I got to take it pretty far. August 14th. Okay, was when she broke that structure. So she hasn't broken that structure since August 14th. All right, so that's why I took that sell. I took the sell right here, actually. I took the sell actually right here, okay? So I got a bag. We took a buy earlier. We took it to this point, boom, got a bag, and then she fell. And then as soon as she broke this here, I got in, okay? So I'm in a little pullback of about 5 points, okay? And I'm just waiting for her to drop a little bit more. Yeah. So like I said, she could come up here and test. But like I said, she hasn't broken this since August 14th. She hasn't been above that zone. Okay. She hasn't been above that zone since August 14th. Okay, so that's kind of the decision that I made. Okay, and again, guys, understand that there's not a right or wrong. I simply made my analysis. I saw that she had bounced off of that. I thought it was a great area as far as kind of a redirection, because the last time that she hit that on Friday, she fell 150 points. Okay, so again, I'm obviously not trying to get 150 points, but if I can get a quick bag, then perfect. You know what I mean? So again, we're just waiting for her to pull up. So right now we're at about 15-point pullback, 15-point pullback on one trade, and about 10-point pullback on the other. All right, so she's consolidating right here. She's consolidating. She's consolidating literally. She's consolidating in between these 2 levels here. Okay, because she just fell down here. Okay, She just fell down here. And could she break and just fly up? Sure. But again, we have not seen that since August 14th. Okay. She has not been above that area since August 14th. All right. So again, this is what I said she was going to do. She's going to retest that area. She's going to fall. Look at this, guys. This is when she was up there last. This is when she was up there last. And look at this. She played with it. And then she just fell. Hold on, I lost you guys on my headphones here. Let me get you back. All right, there we go. All right, so she's dropping now. Yeah, don't get me wrong, but on this 15, the buyers did come in very strong on that last candle. Okay, the buyers came in very strong on that last candle. But look what the sellers are doing now. Okay, let's see if the sellers take over. And again, obviously the higher time frame tells us the bigger story, but obviously the lower time frames tell us exactly what's happening right now. And you can see this 1 minute is dropping right now, instantly right now. That's what we're experiencing. Okay. I like the 5 minute because it's not as fast. It's kind of in between. Okay. So as you can see, we respected this area again and we literally dropped. All right. So now if we break this 3500, 35000, guys, like we could continue to fall. So I'm just going to be patient and wait. If we get back down into this wick area on both of these trades that I'm in, I will be done for the day. Okay, I'm actually going to set these. I'm going to set these for 34,975. Modify. 34,975. $34,975. All right. So literally that is about 50 points, guys. So if I can get this 50-point drop, once again, that she just made literally 10 minutes ago, that's exactly where I'll get out. Okay. So we got a minute 18 left on this candle. We like to see her break and close below this 35,025. Okay. Because again, like we said, that's momentum. Okay, that's like her rounding a base. Once you round a base, it's very hard to turn back. Okay, once you round the base, you're going to the next base. So again, this is kind of her rounding that base. If she closes below this 35,025, she will then go down to this next level. Okay, so we just have to be patient and wait for that. Okay, we got 15 seconds left on this candle. 15 seconds left on this candle, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We're about to close below, which will give us that momentum. Let's go. Okay, you can see what this minute's doing. Okay, we want to break and close below. We want 35,025. 35,025, we want to break and close below. That will show momentum to the downside. Okay. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's see, this minute is kind of, we're teetering on that. Okay. All right, there we go. We are in profit right now. We are in profit. Okay, let's see what this minute looks like. All right, we just opened up a new minute candle. Look at the volume. The volume's died out tremendously. Okay. Which is very minimal volume right now. All right, we got 4 seconds left on this minute candle. Just opened up a new one. Let's see if she drops. Let's see if we get a big drop here. There we go. Let's go. Come on, big drop. See if these sellers are going to come in. See, we got a minute 45 left on this 5-minute candle. If we can close above, like again, we're just waiting for this close below this 35,025. We need a solid close, take us to that next level. See what happens in, excuse me. See what happens in this last minute, guys. See what happens in this last minute. 6 seconds left. See if we get a drop in this last minute. Okay, unfortunately, there's no way to display that just due to the fact that many people are using different brokers. Do you know what I mean? So again, like I can't show you exactly where the trade is. And honestly, understand that trades, we're not looking at specific points. We're looking at zones. All right. And I'll be honest with you, is we're obviously not looking at copycat trades right here. We're obviously just learning the skill set. And I'm literally just showing you guys where I'm getting in for A trades, and you guys are more than able to take that. And I take market executions. I'm not taking any buy limits, sell limits, or anything like that. So everything that I do is market execution. So again, like that's what you should be, again, like I'm not setting any buy limits or sell limits or anything like that. So everything is market execution. All right. So, I mean, it looks like you came on here to plug Forex Gold at Forex Strategies or whatever. All right, guys. So we see what just happened here. We just pulled up to that level. Okay. And that's exactly what I told you is that we can pull up to this level and then potentially see a drop. So we're about to see what happens here. All right. We got a minute 42 left on this candle. We got a minute 42 left on this candle. We're going to see if we continue to pull up and see what we do here, okay? Or do we close below? If we close below, then obviously what I've been saying earlier all holds true, okay? So again, I don't know your broker on what level that is, but it's respecting that level. It's respecting this level, okay? And obviously as what we're looking at on my chart here, okay? This is 8 cap, okay? This is 8 cap. It's respecting this 35.050 level. All right, we got 57 seconds left on this candle. Okay, I'd like to see close below. I like to see close below in the next minute. That will tell me that we're going to continue to fall, okay, and that there's nothing to be afraid of. Okay. So again, we got 38 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Let's go. If you got it at the top of there, you could have gotten a bag. You're at about a 10 point, about maybe a 12 point drop right now.
Guys, this way. Lily, Anderson, let's go down the stairs. We'll go down the stairs. It'll take us a little while longer. This way. Down the stairs. Hold on. Hold on.
All right, guys. So again, like here we go. We're dropping. We want to drop below that 35.025. 35.025 is really honestly where we want to drop. Like, that's where we want to go. We're not too far off from there right now. All right. We're about 10 points from entry point. We're about 10 points from entry. All right. So we're just waiting for this thing to drop down, guys. So we are at 42 right now. Let's see where we're at. Again, just like I said, about 20 points above our entry. So we're just waiting for the big drop. And then we'll be done with this session. All right, so again, on the minute. Let's see, let's go down to this minute here. I do have 2 trades open, guys. I do have 2 trades open. I think I'm going to end this session, as obviously there's not a lot of volume and we're just not moving a whole lot right now. And so again, like we're gonna definitely move in the direction that we're going. I just don't know if it's going to happen. As soon as we want it to. So again, we've been on this session. Let's see how long we've been on this session, about an hour. Yeah, about exactly an hour. Appreciate that, Reg. Yeah, again, like nothing's gonna ever be exact, guys. I mean, that's the thing, is obviously like there's so many different brokers. Really simply, what I'm trying to do is really, really show you guys obviously the skill set, and then obviously once you learn that skill set, being able to obviously implement that, in your trading, in your trading style. Obviously, there's some people that look for just direct entries, and they're looking. You got to put in the work. You have to put in the work. You have to study. Again, when we get on, guys, like honestly, like obviously our community, we use a lot of the same tools. We use a lot of the same brokers. So again, you're able to really take trades where I take trades, because obviously, we mesh and we line up. But when others come on, again, like I'm very in and out, very quick strategy. I don't play a whole lot of games. I don't complicate things. And that's just as simple as I like to keep it. Do you know what I mean? And again, it's really based off of off of kind of analysis that I did. I don't use any indicators at all. It just is simple. It's very simple. And again, um, like I said, I took the sell just due to the fact that, again, she has not traded above this level since August 14th. All right. So, again, this morning we saw her hit. Boom. She fell about close to 50 points. All right. And then obviously she's just consolidating right here. Okay. She's just consolidating right here. That's all that she's doing. She's not breaking any major zones to the upside. She's not, again, she's just, and again, like I said, she has not traded above the zone, okay, since August 14th. So again, like, unless there's something miraculously happening today where she's going to break, and again, like, is the economy in any better shape? Keep in mind what we trade. We trade US30. So we trade an index that is made up of the top 30 US or companies. And so again, like, you have to understand what we're trading as well, and what moves that. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, I don't see her pulling up. I just continue to see her to fall. Is she going to fall within the next 5 minutes? Probably not. And again, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when she falls. Okay. So again, guys, that's my thoughts. I'm going to jump off, and again, I got to go on a breakfast run. But again, thank you guys so much. I will definitely really focus on getting on in the morning again, and we'll work on getting up another bag. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys at the top because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. God bless. Have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.